Hi, today in front of me BLACKVIEW Top 12 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So open first the settings application, then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see ringtone notification one on panel, and to mute ringtones notifications we should slide to the left side this dot on the ringtone notification one on panel. But by this way you will mute not only notifications but also the ringtones. And to mute only notifications, you could unlock this mute this one on panel, go to default notification sound and switch your currently sounds to none. Just tap now to OK, and by this way we'll mute our notifications out, but we'll stay with the ringtones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.